Hey, what's going on YouTube? I got another update on my car. I also forgot to mention in my last video that I have a service appointment. So it's the 27th, that's Thursday. It's 9 a.m. so I'm gonna be bringing in my car. They're gonna be replacing my driver's side window. I'm gonna try to see if I can get them to replace my passenger side as well. Hopefully the update on the car will be a good one. Another update. A bird flew into my garage while I was waiting for my update to finish. Huh. Oh, looks like we got something new. So we're on the latest update, 2022 12.3.12. So autopilot maximum speed has been increased from 80 miles per hour to 85 miles per hour. I don't know why you would need to be autopiloting above 85 miles per hour. I guess it's pretty good if you're going to Vegas or something, but that's pretty fast for me. That's it for this update. I'll keep you guys updated on my service appointment tomorrow. I'll let you guys know about my service appointment tomorrow. Catch you guys in the next one.